Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. If you watched the last video that came out, or yeah, should come out before this one, changing the thermostats in the 05 Duramax. I think I've been saying it's an 06 in my videos. It's an 05. Anyways, yeah, I got really good lighting, and I've been doing this for a while. This is a really cheap, like $12 LED light from one of the big box stores. I don't remember which one. Yeah, it was like 12, 13 bucks. Anyhow, what I do is I got a couple of S-hooks and just a strap that allows me to hang it from the hood while the hood's open, so you can really light up where you're working. I know they make lights for this, which are really nice, but they're also really expensive. I got a strap I've already had, S-hooks that I already had, and a $12 light fixture. Anyways, if you need to work on an engine, working in an engine bay, and you need more light, better than a trouble light, this works really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.